How to fix error code 43 in Valorant. First thing that you need to do is go to services. Find VGC. Double click it. Under the startup type, you should select automatic and hit apply. After that, right click VGC and click start. Now what you want to do here is type in percent local app data percent right here. Now once you enter this folder, you should find Valorant. Where is it? Here it is. Go to saved, logs, and delete all of this. Next, go to config, crash report client, and delete all of this. Now all you need to do is reboot the computer and then log into Valorant again, and you should be able to play Valorant again. And that's how to fix the error code 43 in Valorant.